हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑफ exercise 2.4 NCERT standard 8. The question is Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Shobho's age 5 years from now will be one third of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Let Shobho's present age be x years. So his mother's present age is 6x years. After 5 years, Shobho's age will be x plus 5 years. According to the given condition, after 5 years, Shobho's age will be one third of his mother's present age. Since Shobho's age will be one third of his mother's present age, so make them equal. We have to multiply x plus 5 by 3. So this is the equation which we have to solve. So let us start. Let Shobho's present age be x years. Therefore, his mother's present age is 6x years. According to the given condition, 3 times x plus 5 is equal to 6x. Now we have to simplify left hand side. We have to multiply both the terms in the bracket by the number outside the bracket. So it will become 3x plus 15 is equal to 6x. In the next step, we will shift all the terms with variable towards left hand side and all the constant terms towards right hand side. So it will become 3x minus 6x is equal to minus 15. Therefore, minus 3x is equal to minus 15, which implies x is equal to minus 15 upon minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So, what is 5? Shobho's present age. Therefore, Shobho's present age is equal to 5 years. And his mother's present age 6x. That is 6 into 5, 30 years. Next, question number 6 of exercise 2.4 NCERT standard 8. The question is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for school in Mahuli village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Ratio of the length and breadth are given. So fencing we have to do on the perimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of the plot. So let us start. Ratio of the length and breadth. 11:4. So let the length be 11x and breadth be 4x. Therefore, perimeter of the plot since it is a rectangular plot, so it is 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 11x plus 4x. So it is 2 into 15x, that is 30x meter. Cost for 1 meter is given. So we have to find the cost for 30x meter. Cost for fencing for 1 meter is rupees 100. Therefore, cost for fencing for 30x meter is equal to 30x into 100, that is rupees 3000x. So according to our calculation, the cost is 3000x rupees, and in the question the cost is 75,000 rupees. So we will equate them. Therefore 3000 x is equal to rupees 75,000. Therefore x is equal to 75,000 upon 3000, which implies x is equal to 25. So length is equal to 11x. 11x means 11 into 25, so it will be 275 meter, and breadth is equal to 4x means 4 into 25, that is 100 meter. So the dimensions are 275 meter and 100 meter respectively.